How to increase self value? We have seen or experienced there are college students who pass out and went for job interviews. Both have same qualification, both have same background. In fact, one have good marks and one have average. But with the good marks, that person is stressed, panicked, and second is chilled out with less marks too. His behavior is like whatever will happen, we'll see. And the interview result comes. Who is good with his marks get rejected and who is more confident get selected. This shows knowledge and confidence. If we compare, confidence wins always. This proves our fear, anxiety, stop us from what our capability is. We can't achieve what we can if we are not confident. As we always think, what if I don't crack this interview? Whereas we should always think, it's just an interview. I will share my views for what they ask for. That's it. I will crack it very easily. This thought, this change of thought will change your behavior and your anxiety will convert into your confidence. Did you see? Just the thought change can change the situations and results too. Here we understand how our thoughts gets us failure and winnings in our life. Sometimes we think so much of future that our present get disturbed. We constantly think about consequences. What if this happened? What if this doesn't work? Due to which our present situation get disturbed. Our present get disturbed and whatever we do it get wrong. We have to ask for help from others, from our helpers to resolve our present problems. This makes our self morale down. Instead of this, don't see the consequences and live in present. See your present situation, your present work. Work hard on it. Don't give up. Don't think about the results. If you give your 100% in work, have faith that the result will 100% in your favor. This attitude will make two differences. One is the result will be as per you thought, and second, your value will increase in your eyes and in others' eyes too. They will count you, they will see you as a good person, optimistic personality. So, always living in present and being optimistic with your work will make you confident, will increase your value. Try this out in your life and see the results will get in your favors too.